I'm Kent Berk. I'm an attorney in Scottsdale, Arizona at the law firm of Berk Law Group, where we handle financial exploitation, probate, trust, estate, and other types of disputes in Arizona. I want to explain today what happened in the case involving the estate of Cole. It's the estate of Shirley Cole. Probably don't recognize her name, but she was somewhat of a celebrity. She was the voice of Little Orphan Annie from 1930 to 1940 on the radio show. So anyway, in this particular case, Shirley was living in Illinois, and she had adopted a will splitting her estate 50-50 between her daughters Lori and Kathy after providing separately for a daughter that had special needs. Eventually, Kathy and her mother, Shirley, had a falling out, and Kathy tried to get guardianship and conservatorship over Shirley out there in Illinois, but that case was dismissed. And understandably, Shirley was upset and disinherited Kathy. She adopted a new will that left 100% of everything to Lori and then moved to Arizona and died several years later. When she died, Kathy obviously found out that her mother had disinherited her and came and filed an action in Arizona for financial exploitation against Lori, claiming that Lori induced mother to sign the will and that the will was the product of Lori's undue influence over Shirley. So financial exploitation under Arizona's Adult Protective Services Act is a claim made by statute, and basically it provides that where you have a vulnerable or incapacitated adult and you have a person who's acting in a position of trust and confidence to a vulnerable or incapacitated adult, the person who's acting in a position of trust and confidence has to use the vulnerable adult's assets solely for the benefit of the vulnerable adult. In this particular case, the court found that mother was not vulnerable because although she had some impairments, some physical disabilities, and some medical issues, they were all under control and managed such that Shirley was able to protect herself from exploitation. So the court found that there was no claim for exploitation against Lori, and the court then also looked at the claim for undue influence and found that mother had got an independent attorney and had independently made a decision to disinherit Kathy such that there was no undue influence, and the court therefore upheld the will, leaving the entire estate to Lori. If you have any questions about financial exploitation, probate, trust, or estate matters, please contact us through our website or send us an email or just give us a call.